2019 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.